something that we have added this week. Cody and I were in we are in a group, a Facebook group for ChatGPT users in real estate, something like that. And we were meeting with the main admin on that. She said, man, I really need Sam. One of my challenges is whenever a person joins that Facebook group, there's a series of questions. You have to be approved, and it comes up with on her screen the list of questions and the name and whatnot. She goes, I've gone through and I've got about 400 people's names and some information on them. How can I get that in there where I've just taken a screenshot of that contact? And it's like, well, that becomes a little bit of a challenge. I said, but we've got some tools in there to do a similar type of thing for describing a property. There's no reason why I couldn't make a quick and dirty change to, I shouldn't say quick and dirty, a quick change to bring that data in. So what turns out, we now have a new option over here called Smart Import from Images. Okay. So if you've got a PDF file and it's not doing it, you could take a screenshot of that PDF file and save it as an image file.
Okay.
You come in here and you select that image. So let's go to image import here. So you can come here, select an image. In this case, let me just do a columns here. So I did the same type of thing where I've got that fake name generator. I did a screenshot of it and then saved it as an image is all I did. Okay. So I open that up and it brings it into the system. You can do multiples. You can do as many different images at one time as you want. The categorization, similar type of thing where you can set up a different category for what you're importing. And then you click on process image. What it then does is it takes that image, grabs the text in it, basically is doing an OCR, optical character recognition of that, and then imports that information into the database for you, and then classifies it with whatever you're classifying it with. This is great for if you're running SAM on a mobile phone, somebody gives you a business card, you can take a picture of the business card and automatically import it into the system as well. So if you guys go to conventions and you're getting a bunch of business cards of people, that's one way of getting a bunch of people in your database all at once.
Nice. And also, we usually get a lot of calls, but sometimes we don't have access to forward the information to Rebecca or to Gabby or Erika. And Laura, what she does, she will screenshot and send it over here. Here's a contact. Here's a contact. And now they can able to import it. Nice.
Absolutely. Yep. And it does the same thing as the screen grab. It's doing the same process, but it's just doing it. It has to do a conversion process first to take whatever contact or whatever information is on that image, turn it to text first, and then take that text and use AI to make sure it's in the right fields. So brand new feature,